Alexa, ask me a question from Aviation Courses Limited on drones.
You have Aviation Courses Limited enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
Welcome to Aviation Courses Limited Aviation Quizmaster. Aviation Courses Limited is your first stop in aviation training. Say ask me a drone question to hear a question about drones. You can hear general aviation, airframe, power plant, and pilot questions too. Would you like me to ask you a question?
Ask me a drone question.
Here is your question. A law enforcement officer witnesses careless or reckless behavior while observing Suez operations and requests the operator submit to a drug or alcohol test. What are the consequences if his request is denied? Choice A is the operator may be denied an application for a remote pilot certificate for up to 30 days. Choice B is the operator may have to pay a fine, but their remote pilot certificate will not be affected. Choice C is the operator may have their remote pilot certificate with Suez rating suspended or revoked. What is your choice? Say choice A, B, or C.
Choice C.
That is correct. Would you like another question?
Yes.
Here is your question. When can someone with a marijuana conviction apply for a remote pilot certificate? Choice A is never. Choice B is 18 months. Choice C is 1 year. What is your choice? Say choice A, B, or C.
Choice C.
That is correct. Would you like another question?
Yes.
Here is your question. What FAA resource can pilots reference to learn more about the impact of drugs and alcohol on flight? Choice A is the Pilot's Handbook of Aeronautical Knowledge. Choice B is the Pilot Operating Handbook. Choice C is NOTAMs. What is your choice?
Choice A.
That is correct. Would you like another question?
Yes.
Here is your question. If you are caught smoking marijuana, the FAA will. Choice A is send you to a drug treatment center. Choice B is issue an immediate suspension or revocation of your pilot certificate. Choice C is deny all future pilot applications. What is your choice? Say choice A, B, or C.
Choice B.
That is correct. Would you like another question?
Yes.
Here is your question. If a certificated pilot changes permanent mailing address and fails to notify the FAA Airman Certification Branch of the new address, the pilot is entitled to exercise the privileges of the pilot certificate for a period of only. Choice A is 30 days after the date of the move. Choice B is 60 days after the date of the move. Choice C is 90 days after the date of the move. What is your choice? Say choice A, B, or C.
Choice A.
That is correct. Would you like another question?
Yes.
Here is your question. The FAA may approve your application for a waiver of provisions in Part 107 only when it has been determined that the proposed operation, choice A, involves public aircraft or air carrier operations. Choice B can be safely conducted under the terms of that certificate of waiver. Choice C will be conducted outside of the United States. What is your choice? Say choice A, B, or C.
Choice B.
That is correct. Would you like another question?
Yes.
Here is your question. When requesting a waiver, the required documents should be presented to the FAA at least how many days prior to the planned operation? Choice A is 30 days. Choice B is 10 days. Choice C is 90 days. What is your choice? That is correct. Would you like another question?
Yes.
Here is your question. The most comprehensive information on a given airport is provided by. Choice A is the Chart Supplements US, formerly Airport/Facility Directory. Choice B is Notices to Airmen, NOTAMs. Choice C is Terminal Area Chart, TAC. What is your choice?
Choice A.
Say choice A, B, or C.
Choice A.
That is correct. Would you like another question?
Yes.
Here is your question. What is the best way for the remote pick to minimize the risk of radio frequency interference during Suis operations? Choice A is never transmit on aviation frequency ranges during flight operations. Choice B is monitor frequency use with a spectral analyzer. Choice C is avoid the use of cell phones in the vicinity of the control station. What is your choice? Say choice A, B, or C.
Choice B.
That is correct. Would you like another question?
No, I could do this all day.
I did not hear a response. Would you like another question?
No, thank you. No.
Okay. See you later on aviationcourseslimited.com. Thank you. Goodbye.
Gotta love Alexa. Peace out.